Hey! Welcome to Howzit channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to add email account in PayPal. Open your web browser. Go to PayPal webpage. Log into your account. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the plus icon next to Email. Enter an email address you want to add. Click Add Email. Go to your email and look for the letter from PayPal. Click on the confirmation link. Enter your PayPal account password and click on Confirm My Email. Done. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.